What up, y'all? It's your boy T-Note, Gleazy, Notch, whatever y'all call me, and I'm back again. And this time, I'm installing kitchen cabinets. Now y'all looking like, damn, Notch, why are you doing this? Don't you got workers? Well, I want to just say this. Rest in peace to my boy Tom. You know what I mean? Rest in peace to Tom. He was helping me rehab this house. And when I came home one day, he was just laying dead on my front porch. You know what I mean? And he had a heart attack. I mean, as I called the ambulance, they came. I was trying to have, like, you know, following all of the things they were telling me to do. I was, you know, like, just really hoping he hang in there. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I was really hoping he hang in. In fact, I couldn't wait to, you know what I'm saying, like, see him like a couple days, maybe a week later, and be like, boy, I saved your life. You know what I mean? Because he was in a bad shape when I seen him, like when I pulled up, because I went to go get some more stuff for the house, and when I pulled up, he was just laying on the front porch. He was in a bad place, y'all, and on some real, you know, I wish he could have just held in there for a little bit longer until the ambulance came, but he wasn't able to, and I just want to say rest in peace to that guy, you know, rest in peace to Tom. And, you know what I mean, you in a better place now. And he taught me a lot. See, Tom was an older guy. He was like in his 60s, 70s. And he used to be over there putting in major work. And, I mean, I didn't know his health was bad. I didn't know nothing because he was such a strong guy on the outside that I just thought that he was just good to go. You know what I mean? So, I mean, rest in peace to that guy. And I just really appreciate the stuff he taught me. See, now I can do this myself with nobody. I don't have nobody here to help me. But I can literally just do this myself. Like, I know I stack and look. Okay, let me move this out the way. Let me show y'all. I stacked a bunch of shelves on top of the other one so I can get them up there. See, this is the type of ingenuity that you learn when you're dealing with an old head. They'll show you how to do it. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how, when you ain't got nobody to help you hang stuff, or when you ain't got nobody to help you do stuff, just know, using a little bit of ingenuity, it's always a way. I'm going to show you how we do it. Let's go. Now, those two little wood pieces I put up there, I measured those two wood pieces at 4 inches. So I needed 4 inches to get it higher. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like I said, I'm on some weak nigga shit, man. I don't want to lift this up. So this is the hard part, just lifting shit. God damn. I just was sick as hell. Look what I'm on. Just like a little chick that, you know, she done got fucked by every nigga in the hood. And now she like, you know what? I'm sick of y'all niggas. What she gonna go out and do? She gonna go out and find a stud. So basically what I'm trying to say is now I have to find the studs similar to her. That's why I have a stud finder. See, I bet you a lot of you chicks is like, I'm sick of you niggas. You know what I'm saying? I'm sick of y'all. I bet y'all could wish y'all had a stud finder. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how we find studs around this motherfucker. Let's go.
I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a mad scientist. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a mad scientist.
I'm gonna show y'all how ingenuitive you gotta be sometimes. See, the boards I was using to match up, to make it up fit to the wall, like you see, I got a bunch of the shelves already hung now. But the boards I was using to match those up, they didn't fit, so I had to go grab some wood planks, like, you know, the ones that's on the floor, and put them down there, see? And guess what? As you see, look at that. That was a good fit. I had to put about 3 or 4 of them on each side, and it worked out.
Mad scientist, Southside certified chemist. I whip the beaker, serve the geeker. Results belong in Guinness. Niggas witnessed, I got the secret recipe. That's why the fiends they mess with me. Your girlie, she has sex with me. Ask her, we got chemistry, and not to mention my niggas fixing, mixing.
Okay, right now I'm putting in the cabinets, as y'all see. So they starting to become the actual color that I bought. Quick story. When I first bought these and they was delivering to my house, with them just being the beige off color that they were saying, I thought they dropped off the wrong shit. I would have been mad as hell if I would have taken them back, but as you see, I'm putting the doors in, and I got side covers I'm gonna put in a little later. It's all gonna come to a complete finish. You guys gonna get to see.
Welcome to the future. Gleazy 5A1C. The smart glass is guaranteed to make you look stylish and also may actually save your life. Visit streetgenius.net. Gleazy.
You probably can never be Gleazy. You probably done had it too easy. I'm loading the clip of my Gleazy. I'm about to make a believe me. Orama, Turkana, Torana. I'm reppin' my weapon. That stealth mode. I'm an ancient leopard. Red leopard print shoes. I'm a high stepper. Black and white limbo. Salt and pepper. You probably can never be Gleazy. You probably done had it too easy. I'm loading the clip of my Gleazys. I'm about to make them believe.
Streetgenius.net for more information about the new Gleazy 5A1C. Make sure you keep them on deck at all times. Gleazy 5A1C, the smart glasses of the future. Street Genius, power in the hands of the community.
And not to mention, my niggas mixing the purple stuff, the elixir is so disgusting. High as fucking, my ex chick see me out and now she think I'm a zoologist. My new chick bottom is similar to a hippopotamus, and I grow the green like bottomless. If you trying to get it, holler, cause we got a lot of it, and we supply the shit. As long as the neighborhood watch don't acknowledge it, I probably make a couple hundred stacks just off profit, bitch. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a mad scientist. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a mad scientist. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a mad scientist. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm mad scientist. I'm a scientist, bitch, I'm a 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 mad scientist. Archaeologist, the way a nigga tap up on the brick. Gynecologist, the way I might just go and feel your chick. Also a economist, all about my dollars, bitch. If it's counterfeit, you know I piss, that just might make me get. Dermatologist, I'm determining what be happening. Your chick, she want that collagen. Nigga, you mad, I'm hollering. You determined to get it crackin', I'm also affirmative to the action. I got ARs, AKs, bats, and a couple Mac 10s. I'm a psychologist, I see right through that bullshit. Seen it coming for a mile, and I eyed down the brick. Chop it up like 36, nigga, them my client list. Man, I do my thing, I got more money than a scientist.
Motherfucker really should have came with some fucking handles. What you think?
You gotta buy a definite offer?
Yeah, I mean, I don't remember seeing the option, but I can go buy some nice handles though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so as you guys see, I completed it. It wasn't, you know, a day job, maybe a day or two. Now I will say my criticisms are a lot, but it wasn't that hard to put up. But it was a few things that was kind of weird about it. Like one, some of the holes weren't drilled correctly. I guess with all of this stuff coming, being shipped from China, it makes it to where the stuff's not like built as good as it used to be, I guess. Things like the holes weren't drilled correctly, so I had to make a lot of like, you know, like reconfigurations and like redesigns and all that kind of stuff. But other than that, I don't really got, I mean, Menards, they got my order wrong. It was two things they didn't send me, so I gotta go back up there tomorrow and get it so I can finish off everything. Still waiting for the stove and the dishwasher to come, but other than that, I think it was a really good job. Job well done. We get ready to wrap this up, and yeah, man, you see with the little bit of ingenuity you can just do. One man job. You know what I'm saying? T-Note, we did it.